Got a P0307 code? Don't waste money replacing random parts. I'll show you two proven DIY methods to fix it. Method A, the spark plug, and Method B, the ignition coil. Watch until the end to find the real cause and fix your misfire the right way. Let's fix it. If you are dealing with a P0307 error code, this video will show you two practical ways to fix it at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and check the code. This code means cylinder number 7 is having misfires. You can try two easy do-it-yourself fixes to resolve this issue. Method A, the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under their protective plug covers. First, carefully remove the spark plug from its housing. Grab your spark plug gapper to check the gap spacing. Typically, the proper measurement should fall between 0.024 and 0.071 inches. As you can see, the gap on this plug is a bit too narrow, so use the gapper tool to carefully widen it back into the normal range. However, if you spot any obvious physical damage, cracks, or heavy wear on the spark plug, skip the adjustment and simply replace it with a brand new one. Method B, the ignition coil. Ignition coils are typically mounted directly on the cylinder head, right above each spark plug. First, carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine, then check it closely to see if it is stained or damaged. If the ignition coil is simply covered in engine oil or grime, you can easily clean it up using a cleaner like WD-40. However, if the coil is physically damaged, go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. To wrap things up, you have two great options to handle the P0307 error code. Once the fix is complete, open the Zeus app to wipe the code and hit rescan to double check that your car is running smoothly. If this video helped you fix P0307, give it a like and subscribe to Engine Clinic. We cover every OBD2 engine code with simple DIY repair methods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.